I wanted to ask you if you. Oh, we're live.
Yeah,
Yeah,
dude. What? Don't ask me anything weird, personal. Oh, there's what was missing.
I was gonna say, where is all
Like
that?
like
Yeah,
look at that. Look how cheesy that looks. Oh, this looks even better. You know what I like the best about this live stream is my fan in the background, my ceiling fan. It looks so good
I
back
see
there,
that.
just whirling away. It's like totally looks like I'm in some kind of weird, you know.
That's the only fan.
There's my only fan right
It's
there.
the only fan in the room.
I made some coffee in my mom's Yeti. It's kind of gross because I tried to pour it over using I don't know. I can't really explain it. But anyway, I am in. Okay, so I'm in your account. I'm looking here. I've seen a lot of turnarounds. Tonight we're going to be doing 4 wins. Hopefully we'll get 4 wins in an hour. We're going to go for about an hour. I am in Ohio with Todd now.
He's
Let us
not
know if
with
you're
me.
watching.
He's
Yeah,
just
I'm not with.
in the same state as me.
And I'm kind of thinking we should do some live shows like together, like in person. But that's only if we get a lot of upvotes on that tonight, and a lot of people say, yeah, we want to see you guys together in the same room, hold
Yeah, we'll
hands.
be lucky if we get a single thumbs up.
We if we get
There are
if we get
people that
enough.
watch. There's people that watch us, but they don't ever say anything. So if you don't say anything, how are we supposed to know you're here? How are we
Yeah,
supposed
we
to know
don't
you're
know.
watching?
Oh man,
So
look at this Intel. Do you see? Okay, Intel's the perfect. We shouldn't take it, but it's like the perfect. It's like setting up like in this next candle. Like this actually might be one, but I'm not. We're not going to take the first couple tonight. We're going to watch and see if they're going to turn around. This one, if this opens, it would almost be perfect. And it looks like it's going to open, but I think what's going to happen is it's going to get up to that level too quick. It's going to get up to this level too fast, but you know, we'll see what happens. It kind of already opened now, and this is one I saw turn around the other couple about 20 minutes ago. I saw kind of similar thing. You know, it kind of that was a nice opening. It's a strong uptrend, and this could have been our first win, but we'll see if it turns around. But you have anything to tell the people at home? Any real wisdom? Any real thoughts of wisdom for them?
marry your best friend.
Okay, all right. With that, we're gonna roll the credits. All right, people, we're back in, and it looks like this one might actually. We called it that it might actually turn around. I mean, it's very narrow. It's been pushing down quite a bit there. It doesn't look like it wants to go. Maybe it would be a very. Oh, there it goes. Okay, looks like it might win. Let's see. My position probably would have been more like there. So I don't know. That would have been a narrow win,
If at all.
if at all, because of my positioning. Because when it opened, I would have thought about it.
It wasn't a real strong.
Here's another one. ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is about to do the same thing, but look where it is. It's already at this line. It's getting ready to do its cross. I almost think I would call it here. You know, like before it crosses. But then what if it doesn't? We'd be waiting for it to cross this
Yeah.
candle, but look where it's at. I mean, do you think we should take this one? I don't think so. I think we should wait.
It's kind of already crossing.
Yeah, but do you think, look at that pressure. That's good. But this might be expending its pressure all in this candle here.
And it probably is. The next one is probably going to be a dud.
But look at this opening. Let's see. It's kind of opening. It's kind of opening. It's kind of opening. It's kind of opening. And
And there
fairly
it opened.
decent opening, but
now
I think it's
just turning around.
I think it's probably because of support and resistance on that one would have been tough. And I've seen this happen multiple times tonight. Now, earlier this afternoon, like at 6:30, about 3 hours ago, I won two trades, and the charts were moving pretty nice then. I wasn't feeling too intimidated. Tonight, though, I'm feeling, as I was waiting for Todd, I just noticed.
That was a total turnaround, dude.
Total, yeah. I was waiting
I
for
mean-
Todd here, and I noticed there's a bunch of turnarounds, and I think we have to hit him up. That's even with the trend. I mean, that's extreme because that's a clear double cross with the trend. The only problem is it was up against a
Well,
real
look
line
how
of
far
support.
back the stochastic crossed, too.
Oh yeah, one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, we need to find one tonight. We need to make sure we obey the stochastic, like 3 to 4 candles in. Three would be safer. 3 candles in with the trend, and if we can get that, we'll win. If not, I don't think we should take a lot of trades because I think we might.
No, we don't want to. We don't want to blow it. We don't need to do that.
Here's another one.
Remember,
Visa.
we only have to win 4, but we have to be extremely careful because we only have 4 trades. Intel, I don't know what this is going to do. This is against the trend.
Look at Visa. It's kind of against the trend. It crossed stochastic 1, 2, 3. It's crossing here. This is another one of those ones where it's like kind of already crossed, but it's like it's kind of pushing down. Let's watch that one.
Go to Intel right now. Like, I think you should look at that one. It's right on the white line. We're about to see what it's going to do though. Stochastic crossed like
yet.
1 or 2 candles ago. It's kind of retracting. Hit the white line. Now it's kind of uncrossing.
Yeah, I don't know. It's so it's not crossing yet, but it could. This chart's been going up and down. It could, but it's kind of against the trend, and it's bouncing off that white line pretty steady. I mean, it's got that. I don't know that it's going to cross. I don't know that it's going to.
Yeah, me too. Either.
I think it's probably not going to. It's got some pretty strong rejection there. People probably wonder, like, where is that guy? I'm in a trailer park in Ohio. That's what it looks like.
A landfill.
I got a one of those elliptical machines behind me there.
I've got a Tesla.
I've got this real dark. I got this real dark thing going on here. This new kind of moody looking thing. And any time now, my mom's gonna come in, and this feels like I am sort of like one of those guys that lives in his mom's basement right now. Tesla, yeah, no way.
It turned around.
Intel crossed, opened, and would have won. Yeah. Why did you tell me to look at Intel for so long? Then right when it was about to have action, you were like, go look at Tesla, the most random chart in the whole universe with a straight line of stochastic. I mean, what the heck are you doing?
Well, because you don't understand it. It was looking like it was about to go.
Look at that. That would have won, dude.
Down.
It crossed through the white line, textbook cross. 1, 2, 3, 4th candle in, bam, big opening, and I think this is going to win. Not that we took it. We didn't take it, but it's confidence building is what it is. There's some pretty good textbook right there. 1, 2, 3, opens on the 4th candle. It already passed through the white line when it opened. Man, yeah, that was good. That was textbook. And that was good. So, okay. You see that? You with me on Intel?
I'm with you.
Well, I came into Ohio, took over my mom's
office. Is it going
to
keep going down, or is it going to go back up?
No. I mean, what would I know about that?
I don't know.
I'm kind of like, I feel a little naked. I'm not naked, but I feel naked. Not technically naked, like.
Hi, Wi-Fi. Welcome.
I feel
Eric's
like
naked. Eric feels naked.
I feel like I'm like just sitting in.
He's in a different place.
Sitting in a room, no vibe here. I'm just kind of sitting in this dark room with an elliptical behind me. Just.
Yeah, and you wore black, and it's just like.
It just looks.
Basically, I can see your face and a cream wall behind you, and that's it.
It looks ominous, is what it looks like.
Me, I've got nice lighting and.
Maybe I should do this. Maybe I should have maybe I should do this do it real up close like this face cam. So it's real good. Like, all right, we're gonna take this next trade. Maybe I should do it like that. I don't know if we're gonna take any trades.
I don't know if we.
I don't think I can keep the camera this close to my face the whole time though. My mom's in there. It's like, this is going to be an awesome night. I can tell, dude. All right. I can hear everybody in there. That was a good crossover. Let's see. My son's playing Fortnite in the other room. My wife's probably asleep or watching a chick flick. Let's see here.
That's not what I was going to guess.
What? Oh man, look at all these like turnarounds. These like fake crosses.
Where are you seeing those?
I don't know. Just everything's kind of like going up and then not crossing or
Well,
flattening
that's
out.
what Tesla did when I told you to look at it.
Right. It just
It was
crossed.
starting to go, and then it just turned around. Look at Alibaba.
Alibaba. Alibaba. I look at Alibaba. I like Alibaba.
There's already been 4 candles
Oh,
since
whoa.
the Mac,
Okay.
since the stochastic crossed like 4 candles ago.
1, 2, 3. Ooh, yeah. This one. I mean,
And if you look at its history, it goes up, goes down, hits the white line, and goes back down.
yeah. I'm not
again.
like super convinced about this one, but I mean, it definitely could do it. It's got the right motion, but this candle doesn't seem super convincing, and it's going to the white line like.
FedEx is also about to cross. Or, well, actually, no. It was that massive red candle that caused it to do that. Then it went up 2 greens. It just turned around right after that.
Yeah, Alibaba. I'd like to see what Alibaba. Did Alibaba really just do that? Oh, it just tanked. Look at that, dude. It was going up, and now it just tanked, right? Isn't that what we were looking at, Alibaba, a minute ago?
Yeah.
I turned over to look at FedEx, and that candle just went straight down.
That's what's happening tonight, man.
It's crazy.
Turn around night.
I'm not. I mean, I don't want to. Okay, Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson's with the trend. It traveled up 1 candle.
Paying 70%.
Okay, but still, I'll look at it for the position because I'm not going to take a trade right now anyway. I'm looking for some patterns, and it looks like. But see, that's already sort of at a line. I don't know, man. Maybe this is just the night that I go. I don't really see anything because so far I've seen multiple trades that I would think would have been very, very clean, just completely turn around, almost double cross. Then
Look at
turn around.
USD RUB. It's already crossed, but this would have been a winning cross, I think.
Okay,
Where
yeah.
it did cross.
It opened there, and that second candle would have won. Yeah. If it opened there, it's open there now, but I'm not sure. Would that have been an opening? Would it have opened?
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know. I'm not sure. It's hard to see in hindsight. It does look like it opened, but we probably wouldn't have taken it because it was such a narrow open.
Your RUB about to cross.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Well,
But if you don't want to get in on any trades in case you get into some losses, if it just looks like an overall bad night.
Well, your RUB is looking like it might cross. It's crossed through the white line.
But it's almost already down to the line there.
That's what I mean, and it barely crossed right there, and I have a feeling that, I mean, that would have been a convincing cross, but I'm not so sure that it's not down to its level now. I mean, I don't know, man. I'm just a little bit shy right now. That's all.
I would be.
Probably because while I was waiting on you, I saw 3 like clear double crosses that just turned around, and I was like, huh. That doesn't seem right. It seemed a little bit odd.
There's some nights where that happens a lot.
Like by the time the double cross happens, the candles have already see like this. Look at that one, dude. That would have been. I mean that looked like a kiss. It looked like a convincing kiss, and I would have been able to take it, thinking that was it, you know. And look how far that turned up. I mean that just like turned around, like just went straight up. Yeah, that's disappointing on that one. I've seen a couple wins though. I don't know that we'd be in too much danger. I've seen a few wins and a few losses tonight.
Yeah.
Definitely thinking that they're going to have to be really speaking to us. They can't already be at a line of support or resistance by the time we get to them and think, oh, it's going to happen. And they're already at the top of the, of where they're going. And that's kind of what I've been seeing tonight. I've been seeing them get almost all the way up to where they're going. And then we think, oh, okay. So, it's the weekend for you. You fall asleep?
What? I was almost
you-
asleep, dude. What?
Did you fall asleep?
I almost did. What?
Are you kidding? Are you
I started
kidding?
dozing.
You
Okay,
did
I'm
not.
back. I'm back. All right,
You
what
were,
now?
were you looking at your phone or were you dozing? Because it looked like you were gonna fall
You
asleep.
got nothing in my hands. Bro, I don't have my phone. My phone's over here on the charger.
Are you kidding? Your head
This
was
is
kinda
my
like,
phone. It's over on the charger. I was just like dozing. Like,
Okay. That's funny. That's the first
Yeah.
time, dude.
what'd you say? Is it what? Is it the weekend?
Is it the
Something about the
weekend? And I
weekend?
look over and you're about to fall asleep on the podcast.
Yeah. Sorry, everybody.
Did you have a long day?
I mean, kinda. No, not really. Not really. I got a, I had a cancellation, and then a last minute booking. So I had one cancellation, so I had two on my schedule. Then I had then Jeff, our friend Mr. Powell, giving away names over live stream. I won't say where he's from though to protect identity. 'cause
Jeff
there's probably a
Powell
lot of-
from Milwaukee.
Yeah, from Milwaukee. Text me last minute like, yeah, can you come tune the grand piano for a concert tomorrow night? I'm like, dude, what?
He
Like-
always does that though.
Like
He does that
this
every
is the
time.
this is the I don't know, between this one and the last one. Last time when he texted me like that morning, like, yeah, can you come fix the dampers on this piano like
For tonight.
before 7:00 tonight when the concert starts? I'm like,
Oh my gosh.
yeah,
Well,
it happens.
that's the way it is, man.
Yeah,
Man, I don't.
I'm gonna go to Brent Oil and look over there.
Yeah, look over there. I'm looking at everything. I still don't see anything. Tonight might just have to be one of those nights, man. We just hang out for another 20 minutes because I got kind of nervous earlier, and now I'm not seeing anything that's
Silver, okay, silver is, well, it's kind of consolidating. You can watch it for a second, but MACD, the stochastic is kind of crossed, but I think it's kind of in a consolidation range. It hasn't broke below, it's kind of setting up an area of consolidation, I think.
Yeah,
Hasn't broke out of it yet.
it could be going to the white line. This could be a cross. I mean, is it an uptrend though? This is an uptrend, so it's kind of against the trend. I think
But
tonight
it's kind of turning, though.
going back up. You mean?
No. Well, it
Well,
could, but I'm
turning
saying
and
the
going back
MACD
down.
and the stochastic is kind of rounding down.
Yeah, it's overbought, so it could do that. It could do what you're thinking, but I'm not.
Yeah,
too,
like I would probably put it for 5 minutes from up here and call it a day.
I'm
I don't
glad
really do that. I'm just saying.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing anything like that. I'm a reformed man. I have been.
I'm
set
thinking out
free.
loud. Like if you did that, it might. Who
Now,
knows?
this one actually could be a put. If it breaks down out of this, the stochastic crossed 1, 2, 3
I think it's
candles.
going to break down out of here. Yeah, I mean, I don't
That's what
think
I'm
it's going
saying.
up farther.
I think it could too.
Do you see any? Do you see any lines up there? Any resistance up there?
Well, I mean, it's at a line. Well, it's at a line right now. It's at a major line right now where it's like stopping,
me see.
and it's
Where
got
at?
another line here. If you go back, where it's at right now. If you go back, it's right there. Those two candles.
Wait, it looks like it's one higher.
No, it's
Go
not.
to
It's
that
right there.
next.
And the one higher is over here. The blue line is what you can't see on my screen. The blue line is practically on that.
Yeah, right up there, right there. Yeah,
that's
the
not where it
next
is.
one.
It's right there where my cursor is. It's right
Okay.
there. It's right there, dude. It's
All
right
right,
on
scroll forward. Let me see where it's at now.
that. It's right. It's right there on this line.
Okay.
And if it breaks down, then it's got a little ways to go.
Yeah, because I think it's going down. It's about to cross, actually.
You want to take if it does, if it opens up here, I don't know if it breaks this and crosses, but man, that's kind
I
of
don't know. It's kind of
I think we'd be better to just watch this one and see see what we think. I mean, I don't know. I mean, this is
moving extremely slow.
kind of a double cross against the trend because the trend is up at this point, whether you think it's turning around or not. It's been going up for quite a while. Now it's stopped. It's kind of hanging here.
Well, and it's moving extremely slow.
Yeah, and it's still kind of consolidating. Like it didn't break down yet. It might not cross
No.
this candle. It's like not super convincing. I like I'm looking for something that just looks like really convincing, you know? Something that has like a lot of feeling to it, you know? Like Joe Satriani.
Yeah, like Joe Satriani.
Like this one would have been a good feel. We missed one on the FedEx. It went to the white line. It was very clear. It crossed, boom, boom, boom. Could have won that one. That would have been a win. That's one of the ones I've
Okay.
seen right.
Go back to silver real quick. Is this gonna break upward?
Silver?
Is this gonna break out of here like upward, or is it still? It's still in that line of consolidation. It's still in that little area.
Well, it kind of acted like it was going to cross, but it didn't, and that would have been down here. Would have been a good place to call it because that was like a fakie. We knew it was a fakie at that moment. Now I don't know. It could break down. I mean, I think it's more likely. I think well, I don't know. I guess it could go either way. I don't really know. Could go either way. Right now, yes, I think it's probably going up because it's an uptrend. Look at Brent oil. Brent oil is 1, 2, 3. It's about to cross. It's had 3 candles since it's stochastic. Is it breaking down or is it? Read that candle for me. Is this next candle coming up going to be red? Not this current when it ends in 5 seconds, but if it crosses, you think it's going down? I don't
know,
think so, 'cause I
man.
think it's the
No, this
trend.
one doesn't look like it. This one looks like really like broken and choppy. Like it.
Yeah,
it
it
goes
kind of looks like
down
it's
and
going
up.
back up too.
It looks like a bad game of Tetris.
Look at crude now. Crude is doing the same kind of thing. It's tall, and it's up at this consolidation point. It could be turning around. It's not really. There's like a bunch of fakey turns tonight. Like they're all
now it's
Ooh.
just breaking out of here.
NZD USD. Look at that one just for fun. I wouldn't take a trade on this one right now, but it went to the white line. It almost crossed. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this one's confusing me. I think it's probably done being at the white line. But if this crosses open to the downside, it might actually go to the white line. Like right here, if we put this one, I'm not going to, but let's pretend I put this one at the bottom of this candle. If it opens, I'm gonna see if it opens. Yeah, we'll put that one. Put that one at the bottom of that wick. That would have won. It looks like it would have won. There we go. See, that one went to the white line.
Kind of jumped up though.
It kind of went to the white line and went back up and retracted, and then it kind of started going back down, and it double crossed. Boom.
Yeah,
So
I don't know. It may still pull up though. It's
it
got
may still
38
just go
seconds.
shooting up. Yeah, but the moving averages are in great position. That might have been a win. I tend to think that was a good one. I don't know. Are you ready to jump into some live trades? Like if we find something like that looks really good.
I'm not ready to get deep into losses, but
Well,
if we
let's
see a good one,
let's see if this one goes back up because that would have been a win.
think you can call this, or you think it's going back down?
No, I picked a couple pretty good. I picked a couple winners in the last 10 minutes. Okay, I think some of them are they're gonna present themselves to us. I am tired though, and so are you. So Euro NZD. I drove. What?
Dude, I got to tell you about something, but I can't tell you here.
Look at Alibaba. 1,
I can't.
2, 3.
I thought. Remind me, I got a funny story.
Is Alibaba going down? Crap,
not
it's gonna-
there yet.
Look at it. It's got 20 seconds. I think like the shape of this, it's broke through the white line. I
Yeah,
don't
it's
know.
sort
It's
of through,
retracting.
unless the next candle's going to turn around. But yeah,
If it like cracks open here, but it's retracting, which is
how many
making me
candles
nervous.
between the MACD open and the?
1, 2, 3. This will be the opening on the 5th. I'm just gonna pretend I take this one. Yeah, that would have probably been a good one.
I mean, you could have really taken it if you felt, like it was good. But.
I'm just not really sure tonight, man. I'm letting some.
Well,
of these
then
go
you
by.
shouldn't take. If you don't feel good about it,
The only thing I
this
don't feel
could
good
turn
about
around,
this
dude.
one
This
is
could
it could
turn around.
Yeah, because sometimes you get that one good candle through the white line, but then it's not really going
Yeah,
through the white
anything
line.
to do with the white line can be scary.
Like, see, this one would be losing right now.
Oh yeah, it would be. Well, that would have been a nail biter. Okay, so not sure what happened to Eric here. Looks like Eric is not in here, but I'm not sure. Not sure how this is still on because he hosts the service. So I'm not sure if we're still live or not. I guess we are, but I don't know what's going on. Hello. I think I am still in the live stream. I don't know how, but it's still on. I see that you're not in there. You kind of like dropped off, but it still says live. So yeah, it is a good thing. So am I even live or am I? Not sure if I'm live. but it looks like Eric's internet crashed. He's at his parents' house, so. Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me at all? In the microphone or on the phone? Wait, am I still live? Oh, hi everybody. I'm still live. I didn't know that. I'm on the phone with Eric. Like I said, he hosts the program, so I'm not sure how I'm even still live, but uh, he's connecting. There he is. There he is. He's back. He's back. It is true, apparently. Yeah. Yeah, I can't hear you in my headphones though. All right, so Eric is back, I guess. All right. I can see you, but I can't hear you. All right, I'll tell you what. See, I'm gonna send Eric a text. Okay, so it looks like I can't hear Eric, so we're having some technical issues on that end, but we're also having some trading issues. Just some of these charts are turning around, so I know Eric and I aren't sure if we want to take any live trades right now, just given the conditions. So I think we may. So basically, we were thinking about just calling it a night anyway, and we'll try to work out the issues here, and then maybe go live again, maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Well, thank you all for watching, and sorry about the technical issues. Sorry we didn't take any live trades, but we want to be safe. We want to make sure that we're going to get to our goal and get where we're going. So everybody have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.